Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 3 of H from the chapter matrices. If you didn't watch the previous parts, the link is in the description, watch it. So, the first question, if we observe, three equations were given. 5x minus 6y plus 4z equals to 15. And second equation is 7x plus 4y minus 3z equals to 19. And the third equation is 2x plus y plus 6z equals to 46. So this total exercise, all the 8 problems I am going to solve by the Cramer's rule. Okay, so for that, first what we need to do, we need to create one matrix delta, that is by writing all the coefficients. X coefficient is 5 minus 6 4 7 4 minus 3, then 2 1 and 6. Now for this matrix we need to find out the determinant. Okay, let us do that then. This will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So first element is 5, column row if we remove 4 6 are 24 minus 1 into minus 3, already minus is there, so it will become plus. Then next minus 6 into this column and row if we remove 7 6 are 42 minus 2 into minus 3 minus 6, already minus is there, so it will become plus 6. Now third element plus 4 into row and column if we remove 7 1s are 7 minus 2 4s are 8. So let us simplify this now. 5 times 24 plus 3 27 minus 6 times 42 plus 6 48 plus 4 times 7 minus 8, it is minus 1. Okay, now 5 times 27 135 minus, just a minute, this is minus 6 if you remove 7 6 are 42. Oh sorry, it will become, already minus is there, right? So minus into minus plus 6, then plus 6. Okay, done. Okay, so plus 6 into 48 288 minus 4 ones are 4, so 138 plus 288 minus 4 is nothing but 419. This is the value of delta. Now we need to find out the delta 1 value. So for that, what we will do is, this total first column we need to replace with these constant numbers. So 5 7 2 we need to replace with 15 19 46. Okay, then delta 1 will become 15 19 46, 15 19 46. And second column, third column as usual, minus 6 4 1 minus 6 4 1, and third column will be 4 minus 3 6, 4 minus 3 6. This is the value of delta 1. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this now. This will become plus and this will become minus, this will become plus. So 15 times 15 if we remove 4 times 6 24 minus 1 into minus 3, already minus is there, so plus it will become. Then the same way second element if we observe, minus into minus 6, it will become plus 6 times this column and this row if we remove 19 times 6, 114, and minus, it will become plus, then 46 3s are 138. Then last element will be plus 4 into 19 1s are 19 minus 46 4s are, it is 184. Okay, let us simplify this further now. 18 times 24 plus 3 is nothing but 27, plus 6 times 114 plus 138, it is nothing but 252, plus 4 times 19 minus 184, it is minus 165. Okay, let us simplify this further now. First 15 into 27, it is 405, plus 6 into 252, it is 1512. Next plus into minus 4 into 165, it is 660. So if we simplify this further, 405 plus 1512 minus 660, it will become 1257. This is the value of delta 1. Okay, now let us move to delta 2 then. So in this delta 2, what we need to do is, second column we need to replace. Now here the second column is there. This second column we need to replace with these constant numbers. So first column is 572. First column will be 572. Now second column will be replaced with the constants 15, 19, 46. 15, 19, 46, and the last column 4 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 3 and 6. Okay, this is delta 2 now. Let us find out the determinant for this also same again. This will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus. So 5 times, if we remove the row and column, 19 times 6. 114 minus 46 times 3. 138 minus 138, already minus is there, so it will become plus 138. Next, second element, minus 15 into row and column, if we remove, 7 6 are 42, minus 2 3 are 6. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, already minus is there, so it will become plus 6. Then last element, plus 4 into this if we remove, 7 times 46, it is 322, minus 2 into 19, right? 2 into 19, 38. Okay, let us simplify this further. 5 times 114 plus 138, 252, minus 15 times 42 plus 6, 48, plus 4 times 322 minus 38, it is 284. Okay, let us simplify this further. 5 times 252, it is nothing but 1260, minus 15 times 48, 720, plus 4 times 284, 1136. Let us simplify this further. 1260 minus 720, 540, plus 1136. It's nothing but 1676. 1676. This is the value of delta 2. Okay, now let us move to the delta 3 then. So delta 3 means first row, second row will be first column, second column as it is. Third column we need to replace. Here if you observe, this third column we need to replace with this constants. So first column will be 572. First column 572. Then second column minus 641. Minus 641, and the third column we need to replace with the constant. Those are 15, 19, 46. 15, 19, 46. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this also, which is exactly equals to the delta 3. Okay then. This will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So now 5 into, if we remove this row as well as column, then we remains with 4 times 46, that is 184, minus 1 times 19, it is 19. Next, second element, already minus is there, so minus 6 again, plus 6 it will become, times, if we remove that row as well as column, 7 into 46, it is 322, minus 2 times 19, it is 38. Next, plus 15 times, last element if you check it, row and column, if we remove, 7 ones are 7, minus 2 fours are 8. Okay, now if we simplify this further, 5 times 184 minus 19 is 165, plus 6 times 322 minus 38, 284, plus 15 times 7 minus 8, minus 1. So next, 5 into 165, it is 825, plus 6 into 284, 1704, plus 15 into minus 1, minus 15. So if we add these two, 825 plus 1704, we will get 2529 minus 15. So 2529 minus 15 is nothing but 2514. This is the value of delta 3. So I will write all the delta values together once. delta value, delta 1 value, delta 2 value, delta 3 value. So delta 3 we just now got 2514. Next delta 2, what we got then? Delta 2 is 1676. Delta 2 is 1676. Delta 2 1676. Next delta 1. Delta 1 is 1257. Delta 1 is 1257. Delta 1 1257. And then what about delta? First we got that one. Delta is 419. Okay, done. Delta is 419. Okay, we want now x value, y value and z value, right? So x value is nothing but delta 1 divided by delta. Then y value is nothing but delta 2 by delta. Then z value is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, let us simplify now. Delta 1 how much? 1257 by delta 419. Delta 2 1676 by delta 419. Delta 3 2514 divided by delta 419. Okay, let us simplify this. First one is 1257 divided by 419. It's nothing but 3. Then second one is 1676 divided by 419. It is 4. Then last one 2514. 2514 divided by 419. It's nothing but 6. So x value we got as 3 and y value we got as 4 and z value we got as 6. 3, 4, 6 are the values of x, y and z respectively. Next, let us move to the second one. I thought actually this Cramer's rule will be easy. I think Gauss-Jordan method only will be very easy than this, because in this every time we are going to solve 3, 3, 4, 4 times, right? So next one will be x plus y plus z is equals to 1, and then second one will be 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 6, and then next one will be x plus 4y plus 9z is equals to 3 again. Okay, for this also I am going to solve by this Cramer's rule only. So first we will get delta, right? So delta is nothing but x coefficients 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and then comes 1, 4, 9. Okay, done. This is delta value. So first let us do determinant for this. This will become plus minus plus. So 1 into, if we remove that column as well as row, 2 9s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12. Now second element minus 1 into, if we remove this and this, 2 9s are 18 minus 1 3s are 3. Next let us move to the third, plus 1 into 2 4s are 8 minus 1 2s are 2. Okay, let us simplify this now. So 1 into 18 minus 12 6 minus 1 into 18 minus 3 15 plus 1 into 8 minus 2 6. 1 into 6 6 minus 1 15 are 15 plus 1 6 are 6. So 6 plus 6 12 minus 15, 12 minus 15 is nothing but minus 3. Delta value we got as minus 3. Okay, next delta 1. What will be the delta 1 now? First column we will replace. This first column we will replace with these constants. So first column will be 163 now. First column will be 163. First column 163. Next second column, third column as usual. Second column is 124. Second column 124 and third column is 139. 139. Okay, let us simplify this also now. Okay, this will become plus, this will become minus and this will become plus. So if we remove this, 2 9s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12, because anyway all are plus only, right? So okay, anyway I'll do 1 into 1 into. Next will be minus 1 into, if we remove this one, row as well as column, 6 9s are 54 minus 3 3s are 9. Next last one will be plus 1 into row and column, if we remove, 6 4s are 24 minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, let us simplify this further. 1 into 18 minus 12, 6 minus 1 into 54 minus 9, it is 45, plus 1 into 24 minus 6, 18. Okay, let us simplify this. 1 into 6, 6, minus 45, plus 1 8 is 18. So 18 plus 6, 24, 24 minus 25, sorry, 24 minus 45, it is minus 21. So delta 1 value is minus 21. Now let us find out the delta 2 value then. So delta 2 is nothing but just the second column we need to replace. Okay, now here this second column we need to replace with the constants. So first column as usual 1 to 1. First column is 1 to 1. Then second column we will replace with the constant, that is 163. 163, and last column will be as it is again 139. 139. Okay, let us simplify this again. Determinant, this will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So 1 times, if we remove this, 6 9s are 54, minus 3 3s are 9, then comes minus 1 into 2 9s are 18, minus 1 3s are 3, then plus 1 into 2 3s are 6, minus 1 6 are 6. Okay, let us simplify this again. 1 into 54 minus 9, it is 45, minus 1 into 18 minus 3, 15, plus 1 into 6 minus 6, 0. This is anyway 0 into 1, 0 only, so I will remove that completely. Next will be then 1 into 45, 45 minus 1 15 is 15. So 45 minus 15, it's nothing but 30. So delta 2 value we got as 30. Now let us check for delta 3 then. So in the delta 3, simply we will replace the third column. Okay, let us check it out. Now first column 1 to 1 as it is, second column also 1 to 4 as it is. Now third column we will replace with these constants. Okay, let us write now. First column 1 to 1. First column 1 to 1 as it is. Then comes second column 1 to 4. Second column 1 to 4. Next third column we need to replace with the constants. So 139 we need to replace with 163. Okay, then it will become 163. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this also now. So this will become plus, it will become minus, and it will become plus. So first 1 into, if we remove the column as row, 2 3s are 6, minus 4 6 are 24. Then second element is minus 1 into 2 3s are 6, minus 1 6 are 6. Next 1 into 2 4s are 8, minus 1 2s are 2. Okay, if we simplify this, 1 times 6 minus 24 minus 18, minus 1 into 6 minus 6, 0, plus 1 into 8 minus 2, 6. 1 minus 18, minus 18, minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 6, 6. Now minus 18 plus 6, it's nothing but minus 12. Okay, now what I will do is, I will write all the values together. Delta value, then delta 1 value, delta 2 value, as well as delta 3 value. Just now only we got the delta 3 value as minus 12. Then what about delta 2 now? Delta 2 is 30. Then delta 1 is minus 21, and delta is minus 3. Okay, so delta 1 value is minus 21 and delta value is minus 3. Now by using these delta values we need to find out the x, y and z values. So x is nothing but delta 1 by delta. Y is nothing but delta 2 by delta. Z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, let us write the values then. What is the delta 1 minus 21 by delta minus 3, delta 2 30 by delta minus 3, delta 3 minus 12 by delta minus 3. Okay, let us simplify this further. Minus minus cancel, 3 1s are 3 7s are 3 1s are 3 10s are minus 10, minus minus cancel, 3 1s are 3 4s are, so it is 4. X value we got as 7 and y value we got as minus 10 and z value we got as 4. So let us write all together then. X equals to 7, y equals to minus 10, z is equals to 4. Okay, question number 3. From the given three equations, let us write the delta first. We'll find out the determinant: x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, and x coefficient of the second equation, y coefficient and z coefficient. Same with the third equation also: x coefficient, y coefficient and z coefficient. Okay, let us find the determinant of this: plus minus plus. So 1 into 2 ones are 2, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, already minus is there, so plus 3. Then next second will be minus 1 into, if you remove the row and column, 4 ones are 4, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Then last will be plus 3 into, if you remove the column and row, 4 3s are 12, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, already minus is there, so it will become plus 2. Now if we solve this, 1 into 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 1 into 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 3 into 12 plus 2, 14. 1 into 5, 5, minus 1 3s are 3, plus 3 times 14, 42. Oh, sorry, here already minus 1 is there, right? So it will become plus 1 then. Plus 1, plus 3, okay, done. Now 42 plus 3 is 45, 45 plus 5 is 50. Okay, next we need to find out the delta 1 value then. So delta 1 means we need to just separate the column 1, replacing the column 1 with the constants. Okay, here column 1 is 1 4 minus 1, that 1 4 minus 1 should be replaced with 5 0 5. Second column, third column as it is. Now okay, first column will become 5 0 5, 5 0 5, and second column, third column as it is. That is, second column is minus 1 2 3, minus 1 2 3, and third column is 3 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 1. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this. It will become plus minus plus. So 5 into 2 ones are 2, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, already minus is there, so it will become plus 3. Next, minus of minus 1 plus 1 into, to remove this column and row, 0 into 1 0, minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5, it will become plus 5 then. So last plus 3 times 0 into 3 0, minus 5 2s are 10. Okay, so we get 5 times 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 into 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 3 into 0 minus 10, it will become minus 10. So 5 5s are 25, plus 5 minus 30, 25 plus 5 30, 30 minus 30 is 0. So delta 1 value is 0. Then let us move to delta 2. So delta 2 is nothing but second column we need to replace with the constants. Okay, here second row is minus 1 2 3, that should be replaced with these constants 5 0 5. So first column will be as it is, 1 4 minus 1, 1 4 minus 1. Now in the place of the second column we need to write the constant, that is 5 0 5, 5 0 5, and third column will be as it is, that is 3 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 1. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this: plus minus plus. So 1 into, if you remove this row and column, 0 into 1 0, minus 5 into minus 1, minus 5, already minus is there, so it will become plus 5. Then comes minus 5 into 4 ones are 4, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Next plus 3 into 4 5s are 20, minus 1 into 0 0. If you simplify, 1 into 0 plus 5 5, minus 5 into 4 minus 1 3, plus 3 into 20 minus 0 20. 1 5s are 5, minus 5 3s are 15, plus 3 into 20 60. So 60 plus 5 65, minus 15. 65 minus 15 is nothing but 50. This is the value of delta 2. Now let us find the value of delta 3 then. So delta 3 means the third column we need to replace with the constants. Okay, first column will be as it is. First column 1 4 minus 1, first column 1 4 minus 1, and second column minus 1 2 3, second column minus 1 2 3, and the third column we need to replace now. So here the third column 3 minus 1 1 should be replaced with the 5 0 5. So let's write 5 0 5 here, 5 0 5. Okay, this will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. Now let us find out the determinant. 1 into, if you remove this, 2 5s are 10, minus 3 0 0. Next minus into minus 1 plus 1 into, if we remove that row as well as column, 4 5s are 20 minus 1 into 0 0, then last plus 5 into 4 3s are 12 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, already minus is there, then it will become plus 2. Okay, let us simplify this further. 1 into 10 minus 0 is 10 plus 1 into 20 minus 0 is 20 plus 5 into 12 plus 2 14. 1 10s are 10 plus 1 20s are 20 plus 14 5s are 70. So total it will become 70 plus 20 90 90 plus 10 100. Okay, let me write all the delta values whatever we got it together. So delta value, delta 1 value, delta 2 value and delta 3 value. So delta 2 value, this is the last one, that is 100, and delta 2 is 50, delta 1 is 0. Okay, this is 50 and delta 1 is 0. Then what is the delta value? The first step we got that one. Delta value is also 50 again. Delta also 50 only. Okay, now we need to find out the x, y, z values. So x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y is nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, let us write the values then. What is delta 1? 0 by 50. 0 by 50, 0. Delta 2, 50 by delta 50. 50 by 50, 1. Z, delta 3 by 3. Delta 3 is 100 by delta is 50. So 100 by 50, it is 2. So x value is 0 and y value is 1. Z value is 2. Okay, let us move to the fourth question. The fourth question we have is 2x plus 6y plus 11 equals to 0, 6x plus 20y minus 6z plus 3 equals to 0, then last will be 6y minus 18z plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now let me find out the matrix first, that is delta. 2 6 11 6 20 minus 6 6 minus 18 and 1. Okay, let me find out the determinant for this. Let me confirm once again. 6 20 minus 6 6 minus 18 1. Okay, done. Okay, let me find out the sorry, wait, just we did mistake. I am not observing, some variables are missing here, sorry for that. Okay, observe, let us again. X coefficient is there, so 2. Y coefficient is there, so 6. Here z alphabet only not there, so z coefficient will become 0 then. Here x coefficient is 6, y coefficient is 20 and z coefficient is minus 6. Okay, next, here x alphabet only not there, so x coefficient will become 0. Then y coefficient is 6, z coefficient is minus 18. Okay. Now for this, let us find out the determinant. Delta equals to, it's equals to delta. Okay, now this will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So 2 into this if we remove, 2 into minus 18, 18 to 36, so minus 360. Next 6 into minus 6, minus 36, already minus will be there, so plus 36. Next comes second one, that is minus 6 into 18, it is minus 108. Then 0 into anything is 0 only. Next, last will be 0 into something, so not necessary at all, because last element is 0, right? So 0 into anything also 0 only, so that's why I'm not writing at all. Now 2 into 360 minus 36 minus 324 minus 6 into minus 108. Next 2 into minus 324 plus into minus minus 648. Next minus into minus plus 108 6 are 648 minus 648 plus 648 will become 0. So here the determinant we got 0. In the previous cases we didn't get the determinant 0, that's why we solved it by using the Cramer's rule. But in this case we got the determinant 0, so we can't find this with the help of Cramer's rule as well as matrix also. So only one possibility is there, that is using the Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, now let us solve this by using the Gauss-Jordan method. So this matrix as it is, and next we need to use the constant matrix also. I mean we need to write the constant matrix also. So first let me write the same as it is. 260, 260, then comes 620 minus 6, 620 minus 6, 06 minus 18, 06 minus 18. Now last row will be constants, right? Here constant always we will take right side of the equation. So here plus 11 is there, if we take that side it will become minus 11, so it will be minus 11. Next here plus 3 is there, if we take another side it will become minus 3, so minus 3. The same way last equation also, plus 1 if we take another side it will become minus 1 then. Okay, so we got some matrix now, that is 260 minus 11, 620 minus 6 minus 3, 06 minus 8 minus 1. So this we are going to solve with the help of Gauss-Jordan method. So for that we will just change some modifications in the rows. Okay, let us find it out. Sorry, we are not finding determinant, right? Just a minute. It's a matrix now. Okay, so first what I will do is row 2 I will change to row 2 minus 3 times row 1. Because here 6 is there, I would like to make that to 0. So this if I make it triple it will become 6, then 6 minus 6 obviously it will become 0. Okay, done. So now row 2 I am changing to row 2 minus 3R1. So first row as it is, that is 260 minus 11. Next second row we need to change, right? So row 2 is 6 minus 3 into R1, 2. 6 minus 6 nothing but 0. So write that 0 here. Now second element, (20) minus 3 into 6. 20 minus 3, 6, 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Next. Sorry. Next, R2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into R1, 0. So this will become 0 only. So minus 6 we remains with. Next, last element. Last element will become minus 3 into minus 11. So it will become minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 11 is 33. 33 minus 3 it will become 30. Now third row I am not doing any modification. So third row let me write as it is. That will become 0 6 minus 18 minus 1. And next R2 I will change according to the R3. So R3 only I will change because here 6 is there, right? Okay, done. So R3 I will change to R3 minus 3R2. So row 1 as it is, that is 260 minus 11. Row 2 also as it is 02 minus 6 30. Now row 3 we are changing, right? So 0 minus 3 times 0, nothing but 0 only. Next comes 6 will become 6 minus 3 times 2. So it will become 6 minus 6, 0. Then comes last one, minus 18 minus 3 into minus 6. Minus 18 plus 18 again 0 only. Then comes last, minus 1 minus 3 into minus 30. Minus 1 as it is, minus into minus plus 33 is a 90. So 90 minus 1 it will become 89. Now if we observe what is the rank of this, rank of the augmented matrix is equals to how many non-zero rows are there. This row does not contain all elements as zeros, same, so 3 it will be, this will be equals to 3. Now let us find out the rank of the matrix then, that is where is the matrix we have, this one, right? 260, 620 minus 6, 0, 6 minus 18. Let me take that matrix now, 3 by 3 matrix, this one, 260, 260, 0, 2 minus 6, excluding the last column, 0, 6 minus 18, 0, 6 minus 18 only, okay. Oh, sorry, first one is 260, then comes 620 minus 6, 620 minus 6, okay, and last row will be 0, 6 minus 18, 0, 6 minus 18, okay. Let us find out the determinant for this first of all. So this will become plus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. So 2 times 20 into minus 18, it will become minus 360 minus 6 6 is 36, so minus is there, it will become plus. Then next minus 6 into 18, minus 108, minus 0 into 6, 0, and last element of the first row if we observe, that is 0, so 0 into anything is also 0 only, that's why I'm not taking that one. So now 2 times minus 360 plus 36, minus 324, next minus 6 into minus 108, so 2 into minus 324, it is minus 648 plus 648, minus 648 plus 648 is 0. Here the determinant is 0, so that's why this rank is not 3. Then let me take the submatrix of this. So for that I will take these 4 elements, 2, 6, 6, 20, 2, 6, 6, 20. Now if you find out the determinant for this, 2 times 20 minus 6 times 6, 2 times 20, 40 minus 6, 6 is 36, 40 minus 36, 4. This 4 is not equal to 0. Here the determinant is not equals to 0. Then the rank will be, rank of the matrix A is equals to number of rows. Here 2 rows are there, so 2 it will be. Now from the previous step, rank of the augmented matrix is 3, but here rank of the matrix is 2. So rank of matrix is not equals to rank of the augmented matrix. When rank of the matrix as well as rank of the augmented matrix both are not equal to each other, then we can say that it does not have solution. Sorry. So the given 3 equations does not have any solution at all. Okay, let's move to the 5th question then. The 5th question is given as 2x minus y plus 3z equals to 9, x plus y plus z equals to 6, and then comes x minus y plus z is equals to 2. First let us write the delta. So delta is equals to x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient. Satyam, sorry. 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. Okay. Now let us find out the determinant for this. This will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So 2 into, if you eliminate that all, 1 ones are 1 minus, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, already minus is there, so it will become plus 1. Then next second element, here minus into minus plus 1 into, if you remove that row and column, 1 ones are 1 minus 1 ones are 1. Then last will be plus 3 into row and column. If you remove 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 ones are 1. So if you simplify this, 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 into 1 minus 1 is 0, plus 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. So 2 2s are 4, plus 1 into 0 0, plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So minus 6 plus 4 is nothing but minus 2. So delta value is minus 2. Next, delta 1 we need to find out then. So delta 1 is nothing but first column we will replace. Here first column is 2 1 1, that we need to replace with this constants 962. So first column will be 962. Second column, third column as it is, that is minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, and third column is 3 1 1 3 1 1. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So 9 into, if we remove this 1, 1 1s are 1 minus, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Already minus 1 is there, so plus. Then next will be minus into minus 1, it is plus 1 into row and column. If we remove 6 1s are 6, minus 2 1s are 2. Then last one will be plus 3 into 6 into minus 1 minus 6, minus 2 1s are 2. Okay, if you simplify, 9 into 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 into 6 minus 2 is 4, plus 3 into minus 6 minus 2, it is minus 8. 9 2s are 18, plus 1 4s are 4, plus 3 into minus 8, it is minus 24. Now 18 plus 4 22, 22 minus 24, it will become minus 2. So delta 1 value we got as minus 2. Now let us move to delta 2 then. So delta 2 is nothing but first column as it is, second column we need to replace now. So first column will be 2 1 1. Second column we need to replace right now. This is second column, minus 1 1 minus 1. So that will be replaced with 962. So second column will be equal to 962 then. 962. And third column as it is, that is 3 1 1. Okay, then that will be 3 1 1. Okay, done. Let us find out the determinant for this now. This will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So 2 into, if we remove it, 6 1s are 6, minus 2 1s are 2. Next minus 9 into this, if we remove 1 1s are 1, minus 1 1s are 1. Then comes plus 3 into 1 2s are 2, minus 1 6s are 6. Okay, now 2 into 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 9 into 1 minus 1 is 0, plus 3 into 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 2 4s are 8, minus 9 into 0 0, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So minus 12 plus 8, it is nothing but minus 4. Next, delta 3. Delta 3 is nothing but first column, second column, both we need to write as usual. Then third column we need to replace with the constants. Okay, let us check it out. Here first column is 2 1 1. And second column is minus 1 1 minus 1. So first column is 2 1 1 and second column is minus 1 1 minus 1. Next, third column we need to replace with the constants. Here third column is 3 1 1. That 3 1 1 we need to replace with 962. 962. Okay, done. Now let us find out the determinant for this. Plus 2 into 1 2s are 2, minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Already minus is there, so it will become plus 6. Next, minus into minus, plus 1 into 1 2s are 2, minus 1 6 are 6. Then comes plus 9 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 1s are 1. Okay, let us simplify this further. 2 into 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 into 2 minus 6 is minus 4, plus 9 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 8 is 16, plus 1 into minus 4, plus 9 into minus 2, it is minus 18. So 16 minus 4 minus 18 minus 22. 16 minus 22, it's nothing but minus 6. So now all together I will write delta value, delta 1 value, delta 2 value and delta 3 value. So from beginning onwards, delta is minus 2, delta 1 also minus 2, delta 2 is minus 4, this is minus 6. Wow, very easy to remember. Delta is minus 2, delta 1 also minus 2, delta 2 is minus 4, and delta 3 is minus 6. Now we need to find out the x, y, z values. So x value is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y value is nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z value is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, let us substitute those values. Delta 1 minus 2 by delta minus 2, delta 2 minus 4 by delta minus 2, delta 3 minus 6 by delta minus 2. If we simplify this, minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel. 2 by 2 1, 4 by 2 2, 6 by 2 3. So x value is 1, y value is 2, and z value is 3. X value is 1, y value is 2, and z value is 3. Okay, now let us move to the question number 6. Okay, here the question number 6 is 2x minus y plus 8z equals to 13, 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals to 18, then last will be 5x minus 2y plus 7z equals to 20. Okay, first let us write the delta value, all coefficients. 2 minus 1 8, 3 4 5, 5 minus 2 7. Okay, let us find out the determinant of this. This will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So 2 into 4 7s are 28 minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Already minus is there, so it will become plus. Then next will be minus into minus, it is plus. So plus 1 into 3 7s are 21 minus 5 5s are 25. Then last element plus 8 into 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 5 4s are 20. Okay, then let us simplify this. 2 into 28 plus 10 38 plus 1 into 21 minus 25 minus 4 plus 8 into minus 6 minus 20, it is minus 26. 2 into 38, it is 76, plus 1 into minus 4 minus 4, next plus into minus 8 into 26, 208. So which is equals to 76 minus 4 minus 208 minus 212. Now 76 minus 212, which will be equals to minus 136. This is the value of delta. Now delta 1 we need to find out. So how to find out this delta 1 value then? Delta 1 is nothing but first column we need to exchange with the constant values. So first column here we have 235. That 235 should be replaced with 13, 18, 20. So first column will become 13, 18 and 20. Then second column, third column as usual. Second column is minus 1, 4, minus 2. Then third will be 8, 5, 7. Minus 1, 4, minus 2. 8, 5, minus 7. Sorry, not minus. Let me confirm. Plus 7 only. Okay. Now for this we need to find out the determinant. So this will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. So it will be 13 into this column, this row if we remove 4 7s are 28 minus 2 into 5 minus 10, it will become plus 10 then. Next the same way, second minus into minus 1 plus 1 into row and column if we remove 18 7s are 126 minus 25 are 100, then plus 8 into 18 times minus 2 minus 36 minus 24 is 80. Okay, let us simplify this further. 13 into 28 plus 10 38 plus 1 into 126 minus 126 plus 8 into minus 36 minus 80 minus 116. So next will be 13 times 38, 494 plus 1 into 26, 26 minus 8 into 116. It is nothing but 928. Next, 494 plus 26. It's nothing but 520 minus 928. It's nothing but minus 408. This is the value of delta 1. Now let us find the delta 2 value then. So delta 2 is nothing but first column, third column as usual, second column we need to replace. It means this is as usual, this is as usual, this second we need to replace. So it will become first column 235. First column is 235. Now replacing the second column with the constants 13, 18, 20. 13, 18, 20 and last column 857 as it is again. 857. Okay, for this we need to find out the determinant now. Okay, this will become plus or minus plus 2 into 18 into 7, 126 minus 25 is 100 minus 13 into 3 7s are 21 minus 5 5s are 25 plus 8 into 3 into 20 60 minus 18 into 5 90. Okay, let us simplify this. Two into 126 minus 126 minus 13 into 21 minus 25 minus 4 plus 8 into 60 minus 90 minus 30. 2 into 26 52 minus into minus plus 13 4s are 52 plus into minus minus 8 into 30 8 is 24 240. 52 plus 52 104 minus 240. It's nothing but minus 136. Okay, delta 2 also completed. Now let us move to the delta 3 then. So delta 3 means first column, second column as usual, only third column we need to replace. So what we will get then? Here. This third column we need to replace. First column 235 as it is. Next second column minus 1 4 minus 2 as it is. Last column we need to replace with 13 18 and 20. Okay, let us write the delta 3 then. First column is 2 3 5 and second column is minus 1 4 minus 2 and third column we are replacing with the constants, that is 13 18 and 20. This is 5. Okay, now let us find out the determinant for this also, plus minus plus. So 2 into, if you remove the row and column, 4 into 20 80 minus 2 8 is 36 minus 36, it will become plus then plus 36. Next minus into minus 1 plus 1 into, if you remove that row and column, 3 into 20 60 minus 5 into 18 90, then last will be plus 13 into, if you remove that all, 3 into minus 2 it is minus 6, 5 into 4 20 minus 20. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 into 80 plus 36 is 116 plus 1 into 60 minus 90 is minus 30 plus 13 into minus 6 minus 20 minus 26. Let us do multiplication. 2 times 116, it is nothing but 232 plus into minus minus 130 is a 30 plus into minus minus 13 times 26 338. So 232 minus minus 30 minus 338, it is minus 368. Then 232 minus 368 is nothing but minus 136. So now we got all the values. Let us write all the values together for easy calculation purpose. Delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Oh sorry, delta also there, right? Okay. Delta 3 we got as minus 136. Then delta 2 also minus 136 only. Then delta 1, delta I want. Delta 1 is minus 408 and delta is minus 136. Okay. delta 1 is minus 408 and delta also minus 136 only. Okay, now let us find out the x, y and z values. So x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y is nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, delta 1 minus 408 by delta minus 136. Next, delta 2 minus 136 by delta minus 136. Delta 3 minus 136 by delta minus 136. If we simplify, 136 1 is 136 3 is 136 136 cancel, 136 136 cancel. So x value is 3, y value is 1, z value is also 1. X is equals to 3, y value 1 as well as z also 1 only. Okay, then let us move to the 7th question. Okay, the 7th question we have is 2x minus y plus 3z is equals to 8 minus x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. The last equation is 3x plus y minus 4z is equals to 0. Okay, now if we write the delta first, delta is equals to 2 minus 1 3, then minus 1 2 1, 3 1 minus 4. Okay, done. Okay, now for this, if you find out the determinant, it will be plus minus plus. So 2 times 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 1 ones are 1. Then comes second element, minus into minus 1 plus 1 into that row and that column. If we remove, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 minus 3 ones are 3. Then last element will be plus 3 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 2 6. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 into minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 into 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, 2 into minus 9 minus 18 plus 1 ones are 1 plus into minus minus 3 7 the 21. Minus 18 plus 1 minus 17 minus 17 minus 21 minus 38. This is the delta value. Next, delta 1 then. So delta 1 is nothing but first column we need to replace, right? So here first column is 2 minus 1 3, that should be replaced with 840. Okay, then first column will be 840 and second column, third column as it is, that is minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4, minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this. 8 into 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 1 ones are 1. Next element will be minus into minus 1 plus 1 times 4 into minus 4 minus 16 minus 0 into 1 0. Then last element will be plus 3 into 4 into 1 4 minus 0 into 2 0. So let us simplify this. 8 into minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 into minus 16 minus 0 minus 16 plus 3 into 4 minus 0 4. 8 into minus 9 minus 72 plus 1 into minus 16 minus 16 plus 3 4 is 12. So it will become minus 72 minus 16 plus 12 minus 4 minus 72 minus 4. It's nothing but minus 76. This is the value of delta 1. Now let us move to the delta 2 then. So delta 2 means second column we need to change or replace. Then first column will be this second column we need to replace, right? So first column will be 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 3. Now second column we need to replace with the constants 840 and third column will be as it is 3 1 minus 4, 3 1 minus 4. Okay, let us find out the determinant for this. So this is plus, it is minus and plus. 2 into 4 into minus 4 minus 16, 0 into 1 0. Next, minus 8 into minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, 3 ones are 3. Next, last element, plus 3 into, if we remove it, minus 1 into 0 0 minus 3 4s are 12. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 into minus 16 minus 0 minus 16 minus 8 into 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 into 0 minus 12 minus 12. So 2 into minus 6 minus 32 minus 8, 3 12s of 36, so minus 36. Now minus 32 minus 8 minus 40 minus 40 minus 36 minus 76. This is the delta 2 value. Now let's move to the delta 3 then. So delta 3 is nothing but first two rows, two columns as it is, then third column should be replaced. Let us check now. Okay, this third column should be replaced. First one will become as it is 2 minus 1 3, then second will be minus 1 2 1. So first column is 2 minus 1 3, then second column will be minus 1 2 1, and third column will be replaced with the constants 8 4 0. Okay, third column will become 8 4 0. Okay, now for this, if you find out the determinant, plus minus plus 2 into 2 into 0 0 minus 1 4 is a 4. Then second element will become minus into minus plus 1 times, if we remove the row as well as column, minus 1 into 0 0 minus 3 4 is a 12. Then last plus 8 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 3 2 is a 6. Let us simplify this. 2 into 0 minus 4 is minus 4, plus 1 into 0 minus 12 is minus 12, plus 8 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. 2 into minus 4 minus 8, plus 1 into minus 12 minus 12. Next plus into minus minus 8 7 is 56. Minus 8 minus 12 minus 20 minus 20 minus 56 minus 76. And this is the value of delta 3 now. So let me write all the delta values whatever we got till now. Delta value, delta 1 value, delta 2 value, and delta 3 value. Delta 2 value just now we got as minus 76. Next delta 2 also minus 76. Next delta 1. Delta 1 also minus 76 only. Then what about delta? Minus 38. Now then delta is minus 38 and delta 1 is also minus 76 only. So now by using these delta values, we need to find out the x, y and z values. So x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y is nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, let us write the values then. Delta 1 is minus 76 by delta is minus 38. Delta 2 is minus 76 divided by delta is minus 38, and delta 3 is minus 76 by delta is minus 38. All minus minus cancels. 38 ones are 38 twos are 38 ones are 38 twos are 38 ones are 38 twos are. So x value, y value as well as z value, all the three are 2 only. So x is equals to y is equals to z equals to 2. Okay, then let us move to the last problem in this exercise, that is question number 8. The equation given is x plus y plus z equals to 9. 2x plus 5y plus 7z equals to 52. Then last one will be 2x plus y minus z equals to 0. Okay, first let me write the delta value. X coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. Okay, this is the delta, right? So let me find out the determinant for this. It will become plus minus plus 1 into next 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 7 is 7 minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 2 into 7 14 plus 1 into 2 ones are 2 minus 2 5s are 10. So then it will become 1 into minus 5 minus 7 minus 12 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 14 minus 16 plus 1 into 2 minus 10 minus 8. 1 into minus 12 minus 12 minus into minus plus 1 into 16 16 plus 1 into minus 8 minus 8 minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 16 is nothing but minus 4. This is the value of delta. Now we need to find out the delta 1 then. So delta 1 is nothing but first column should be replaced. Here first column is 1 to 2, that should be replaced with 9 50 to 0. 9, 52 and 0. Then second column, third column as it is, right? So second column will become 151 as it is, third column will be 17 minus 1 as it is. 151, 17 minus 1. Okay, for this let us find out the determinant now. This will be plus minus plus 9 into 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 7 is 7. Next minus 1 into 52 into minus 1 minus 52, 0 into 7 0. Next last will be plus 1 into 52 ones are 52 minus 0 into 5 0. Okay, let us simplify this now. 9 into minus 5 minus 7 minus 12 minus 1 into minus 52 plus 0 minus 52 plus 1 into 52. So 9 into minus 12 minus 108 minus into minus plus 52 plus 52 minus 108 plus 52 plus 52 104 minus 108 plus 104 minus 4. This is the delta 1 value. Now let us move to the delta 2 value then. So delta 2 nothing but first column as it is, second column we need to replace. Okay, then first column as it is, that is 1 2 2. Now second column is 1500, that should be replaced with 952 0. 952 and 0. This I will write clearly 2 2. Okay, then third column will be as it is again, that is 17 minus 1. 17 minus 1. Okay, let us write the determinants for this. This is plus minus plus. So 1 into, if we remove this one, 52 into minus 1 minus 52 minus 0 into 7 0. Next minus 9 into, if we remove that row and column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 7 minus 14. Okay, next plus 1 into 2 into 0 0 minus 2 into 52 104. Let us simplify this. 1 into minus 52 minus 0 minus 52 minus 9 into minus 2 minus 14 minus 16 plus 1 into 0 minus 104 minus 104. Next 1 into minus 52 minus into minus plus 9 into 16. It's nothing but 144 plus into minus minus 104. If you simplify this, minus 52 minus 104, it will become minus 156 plus 144. It's nothing but 12. Okay, next delta 3 we need to find out then. So delta 3 is nothing but last third column, it should be replaced. So is equals to first column, second column as it is here. So this third column should be replaced. Okay, now first column is 1 2 2 as it is, second column is 151 1 2 2 151 1 2 2 151. Okay, now third column should be replaced. So here third column is 17 minus 1, that should be replaced with 952 0. So third column will be 952 and 0. Okay, let us simplify this now again. I mean finding the determinant. This will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. So 1 into, if you remove this column and row, 5 into 0 0 minus 1 into 52 52. Next minus 1 into 2 into 0 0 minus 2 into 52 104. And last will be plus 9 into 2 1s are 2 minus 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 1 into 0 minus 52 minus 52 minus 1 into 0 minus 104 minus 104 plus 9 into 2 minus 10 minus 8. 1 into minus 52 minus 52 minus into minus plus 1 into 104 plus into minus minus 9 8 is 72. Next it should be minus 52 minus 72 minus 124 plus 104. Minus 124 plus 104 is nothing but minus 20. This is delta 3 value. Okay, let us write all the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values together. Delta 1, delta 2, and the last one will be delta 3. Okay, let me check. Delta 3 is minus 20, just now only we got. Next delta 2 is minus only 12. Oh, here minus, right? Okay, delta 2 is minus 12. Next delta 1 then. Delta 1 is minus 4 and delta also minus 4 only. So delta 1 is minus 4 and delta also minus 4. Okay, now x value is nothing but delta 1 by delta, and y value is nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Okay, so delta 1 minus 4 by delta minus 4, delta 2 minus 12 by delta minus 4, delta 3 minus 20 by delta minus 4. Okay, if we simplify, minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel, 4 cancel, so 1, 4 1s are 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 5s are. So x value is 1, y value is 3, and z value is 5. X value is 1, y value is 3, and z value is 5. These are the solutions for the exercise 3 of H. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.